We have an incredible festival lineup as always, and we've also put a lot of energy behind alternative music forms and not just mainstream music. We've really made a conscious effort to not just nurture local talent, but also to expose people to other forms of music that are widely popular around the world. Largely, the two genres that we're focusing on this year are techno and bass music. In the techno space, we've got one of the world's biggest techno franchises, Awakenings, which is based out of Holland. They're here and they're hosting 3 days on one of our stages.
And you have to very diligently follow the prescriptions which have been given by your authorities. So I think from security, that's the way I see it, and that's the way we've been following it up, and it has kept us in good state. If you see the kind of comments, the way the people have reacted to the last 2 years, saying it's a safe festival, you feel good when you've come in. So that's from an overall security perspective. So that we are doing.
This is the first time that officially Sunburn Goa is for 4 days, from the 27th to the 30th. We have 7 huge stages this year. The mega stage is going to be bigger than ever and one of the largest stages in the world. And we have 4 huge headliners coming for Sunburn this year. A lineup that can rival any of the top festivals in the world. We have the world's top DJs, Dimitri Vegas and Like Mike, coming back to Goa. They loved it last year. We have David Guetta, we have Martin Garrix, and we have Kygo. So we have a huge headliner on each day of the festival. And of course that is flanked by an impressive roster of artists across all the genres, including commercial, deep house, trance, techno. So there's going to be something for everybody coming. We're very pleased with the number of people coming and where they're coming from.